Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. Okay, great. So for our avocado hummus, I've got 2.5 avocados in there. They were kind of small, so normally I just use like 2 medium ones, but I had an extra one, so I thought I'd save the half for my photo. Then we want some lemon juice, so 4 tablespoons. Please be 4 tablespoons here. Perfect. Great. And then a clove of garlic, and I like to just peel it and then just use a knife and squish it and then just chop it up a bit so that you don't have the stick blender makes it a bit easier for the stick blender. But if you're using you don't have to use a stick blender with this, and in that case, make sure your garlic's very finely chopped or minced. Then a pinch of salt, and then we want about 2 to 3 tablespoons of tahini. It's up to you. I like a lot of tahini. I'm a bit addicted to it, but you could go less if you wanted to keep it a bit less rich and a bit more avocado-y. And then final ingredient, which is important, is just some water, and that's just to lighten it, and because you've got a lot of rich ingredients in there. So I usually do about 2 tablespoons of water, but depending on how much tahini you have and how big your avocados are, you might like to add more. And then we just get our stick blender and we blend away. And yeah, if you don't have a stick blender, you could just mash it with a fork, but I like to get out the stick blender, even though it's an extra thing to clean, just because you get a creamier, kind of smoother texture. But it's really up to you. Or you could do it in the food processor too. And the great thing about this, because it's got the lemon, that it'll actually keep in the fridge for a few days. So if you've got some avocado that are turning, you can just quickly make a batch of hummus, and then you'll have. You don't have to eat it that day. So yeah, then just have a taste and season. You might like more lemon or a bit more salt, just depending on your taste buds. And that is our beautiful Avo Hummus. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with simple recipes just like this one.